Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, stability control, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires front all terrain, tires rear all season, tires rear all terrain. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.